Hello everyone, my name is Yared, or hash maps data to values. I've been working on ring signatures. I call it an alternative privacy method. So background, ring signatures are a means of achieving anonymity, which is half of the privacy equation, the other half being confidentiality. We have zk-snark-based solutions like Algoplank, and they're good. They scale really well for larger privacy sets. But there's still a space for ring signatures because they're cheaper, or it can be cheaper, and they are simpler when you have smaller privacy sets. So the question is, when would you have a smaller privacy set? And so here are some applications, non-nefarious applications. So one is like boardroom voting in DAOs. Let's say you have a board of maybe just 5 people or 10 people, and they're voting on maybe some proposal or something, and they want to do it anonymously on-chain. It could be a good application. There's I call it blackballing in Big Brother games, like when you're having to vote on someone to die in the game or something, but you want to do it anonymously, you can do that. And another application is role assignment in social deduction games, which is what I've been working on for this dev retreat. So we had this game, goes by many names, Mafia, Werewolf, the wolf in the story. Yeah. So it looks a little bit like this. This is a picture from Krakow. They're playing it. In real life, you give people cards, and then whatever card they get, that's the role, and that's how they can privately know who they are. And then there's a game moderator who coordinates the game, and so they will also know, right? But we want to do that on-chain. And the way it would work is you have these 6 players represented by their public Algorand addresses, so addresses that are KYC'd or are known and all these things. And then you have 6 other, and then each player has another address that has never been used for anything else. And they use that address to assign themselves roles. So we have a mafia/werewolf here, we have a doctor here, and then we have 4 other characters that don't really have much power. They're just good people. And the trick is we want these players to assign themselves roles in an anonymous way that doesn't leak to everyone else what role they actually have, especially what role the mafia has, or who is the mafia. And we can use ring signatures for that. And I created this game called Algo Mafia. Please give me a better suggestion. I also have a TypeScript helper package called Algorand, and yeah, you can check it out. What's left? Well, once you've done 90%, there's always 90% left. So there are a bunch of to-dos I have to fix. There are ways I can improve the security. I have to add like a game UI front end. Currently, it's just playing the game in tests, so it's just calling all the methods. And then documentation, and then I have to, yeah, maybe, that's it.